We save money, we help solve problems early on, we find issues, we give resolution.
We bring a comprehensive set of services and solutions through our commissioning practice. First, other competitors that we have, an owner would have to go to multiple companies in order to get those services. But we're able to provide that within one team, within one service offering that is really exciting and makes it much more streamlined and really helps the quality, the delivery of the project overall, being able to do that. The second item, and it's becoming more important here, is proximity to project location. So now we have access to over 40 metropolitan areas throughout the United States and Canada. And then the third one is the various industries that we can also cover. Pharmaceutical labs, institutional facilities, government operations, we've got educational facilities now, several others that really is exciting and something that we're going to be looking at growing in the future.
One of the reasons I came here is we get to work on a lot of really cool projects. And we get to work on a lot of projects, a lot of places with a lot of really awesome people.
We have access to a deep pool of engineering talent. We're able to bring in subject matter experts in to these projects very early on. And also when problems arise, we can tap into that technical talent in order to bring solutions to the table, not just raise issues when they come up during the commissioning process.
We don't give means and methods. We work with the teams. We don't point at the teams because we try to bridge the teams together. And we always like to say that we're the champions of the owner and the consultants and everybody else that's working together.
One of the other differentiators for us is that a lot of our commissioning agents have actually installed and tested the equipment in a previous career, whether that was through a licensed contractor or through a foreman position. And so they really have a deep understanding of how this equipment functions.
You collaborate, educate, and advocate with each other, and you work together.
So this is very exciting, being able to elevate what we do here, improving society through the built environment.